Yeah, so these both sides, this is left side, this is right side. At the top you can see two holes, this one and this one, and these are the two ones, and this one what connects the fairing to the light. And it's this has to be empty. You have to remove this panel from here in order to be able to screw these two in. If anything is here, you will not be able to screw these two in. Once you've done that, you can install the panel here. These are the two holes I was talking about. The light, one here and one here. They are corresponding to these two at the top of the fairing. Now that I put this in, now this one, and from this point it's very easy. So just put this here. Everything should click. There are so many small holes here, so you just push them in. You can see this is where it's supposed to meet. And now it's just screws here, and then here. That's all, and it's done. And we secured the side fairing into this panel.